Hello, everybody, and good day. And this is your friend again here in YouTube, Kenji Colasi 2. And this is my good day part 6. And for my episode today, I just wanted to send a message, yeah, for someone who is really important, someone who is really popular now who is considered as hero, and someone who is very important in the world of boxing, ang nag-iisang kamao ng bayan, Mr. Manny Pacquiao. Hello, Mr. Manny Pacquiao. Good day. And mabuhay ka. Saludo ko sa iyo. Um, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, we know from the start na nag-umpisa ka pa lang, talagang wala kang inurungan laban. And lahat ng laban mo, um, hindi mo inatrasan and ipinanalo mo. This time, I have a challenge for you. But before that, um, we know from the start that nung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, there are people um, who are really happy nung sumisikat ka na. But of course, we cannot please everyone, right? There are some people who had criticized you, make fun of you, but I guess it's okay for you because you had accepted already. Ang culture nating mga Filipino na love making fun, right? Just to make fun, we're using people to make fun. We're using people as a subject to make fun. People are imitating the way you speak, yung paraan ng pananalita mo. They're using it to make fun. Probably not to make fun of you, but to give happiness to the others. Pero ang isang bagay lang na I guess I cannot accept anymore is people are also making fun of your mom now. Just like every day, sometimes more than 3 times a day, I'm receiving text messages, quotes, and jokes, whatever. So, for me, those are not jokes. People are making fun of your mom, and that's not right. For me, that's not right. Yes, I mean, here in this country, here in Philippines, we have the freedom of speech, but many of us Filipinos are abusing that right. We are not using the freedom of speech the right way. And you, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, ikaw na ngayon ang tinatawag nating um, pambansang kamao, isa kang bayani. Lagi kang lumalaban para sa bayan. Ngayon ang hamon ko, Mr. Manny, lumaban ka for your mom. I was amazed sa mom mo, especially when I watched the Wonder Mom and she was featured there. I am so amazed because she did so many things for her, for you, sa family, nung bata ka pa. And of course, she was sad when you left to continue your boxing. And I know my mom felt that too when I left her. I only wish that we have batas dito sa Philippines na nagsasabing bawal manglait ng mother ng ibang tao. Kasi I don't think your mom made fun of these people, made fun of the other Filipinos. Then how come the like many people now making fun of her? Kung sasabihin nila kasi nakakatawa yung way of, you know, talking niya, yung pananalita like that. Come on. Kasi, for me, that's not right. Kasi if they make fun sa mom mo and kahit sa'yo, di ba, nang dahil lang sa way ng pananalita, parang pinagtawanan na din nila ang probinsyang pinanggalingan mo, which is parte yun ng Pilipinas. Sometimes, we, Filipino people, including me, making fun, pero nakakalimutan natin magrespeto sa kapwa. I just hope that every Filipino people who will be watching this video may learn to respect each other. respect ang mga belief, respect kung ano man ang pinanggalingan ng isa sa isa, matuto tayong igalang. Mr. Money, I don't know, I don't care if the people will be calling me KJ or corny, things like that. But for me, since we have the freedom of speech in this country, I want to use it the right way. And I'm starting it now. Na sana, Mr. Money, I know you are more influential than me. You tell our Filipino people, I mean our fellow Filipino people, na sana they should not make fun of your mom. Because ijubas, meron tayong nanay. Bawat isa sa atin merong nanay. Wala ako dito kung wala ang ina ko. Wala sila kung wala rin ang mga nanay nila. At walang Manny Pacquiao kung wala si Aling Junicia. I just hope that, they will respect your mom and respect you. You deserve to be respected. Dahil maraming beses ka nang lumaban para sa bayan na ito. Mr. Money, ituloy natin ang laban. Lumaban tayo para sa iyong inang si Aling Junicia. Mahal na mahal kita, Mr. Money. Mahal na mahal ka ng bayan ito at saludo sa iyo ang buong mundo. At dahil dyan, ang bidyong ito ay para sa iyo at sana magkaroon ng katuparan ang bidyong ito. Kakantahin ko po ang kanta nyo dahil ilalaban ko ito. Mabuhay ka, Mr. Money. Gagawin ko ang lahat para sa'yo. Kung ito ang dahilan upang magkasundo tayo, ito ang tanging paraan na naisip ko upang magkaisa damdamin mo't damdamin ko. Para sa'yo ang laban na to. Para sa'yo ang laban na to. Hindi ako susuko, isisigaw ko sa mundo. Para sa'yo ang laban na to. Mr. Money, this is for you. And for Aling Junicia, of course. This is for her. Kahit buhay ko'y itataya sa'yo, ipagtatanggol kita gamit ang aking kamao. Ito ang tanging paraan na naisip ko upang magkaisa ang kapwa ko. Pilipino, para sa'yo ang laban na to. Para sa'yo ang laban na to. Hindi ako susuko, isisigaw ko sa mundo. Para sa'yo, bayan ko. Alright, Mr. Money, ang mensaheng ito sana matanggap mo at sa bawat Filipino na makakanood ng video na ito. I hope that we should learn to respect every Filipino wherever we are. Nasaan ka man, sa ibang bansa, matuto tayong magrespeto. Mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, mga kababayan, we should learn how to love each other. Okay? Mr. Money, mahal na mahal ka namin at saludo ang buong mundo sa iyo.